and I am very proud of myself because I flipped 3 pancakes without breaking it and ripping it. The first one I ripped, but Daddy taught me. And now I can do it myself. I knew it.
Use the broke one.
That was a top of flour.
And then
Straighten it, straighten it. Oh.
do 1 cup of flour with it one.
And
And then we need 200
milk.
milk.
Getting the milk.
200 milliliter milk. 200 in here. Done.
And then 2 cups of vanilla.
1 cup, not cup. Vanilla here. So vanilla, you can drop it. Like
Can I drop it?
drop this down. Just make it smell good.
Do we need some more milk? I feel like we need more milk. Because I think I put too much flour.
No more. That's it. I think
Oh, can we put some more? Because I feel like we need some more.
a bit, just small bit because it's soaked. And then we need the butter.
Melted. By the way, do I have flour on my face?
Yeah, that is butter. Put in the microwave quickly.
Yeah.
So
Can
the
I pour?
butter is melted.
Smells good.
Alright, now it's time to cook.
Getting the pan. The old pan.
Put maybe 8,
Okay.
9.
Minus.
Put a little bit of oil in the start because we put a lot of butter in there, so it should be okay. A little bit oil of your choice, a little bit. And
Sunflower oil. Just get away from the drips. I think I put too much. Now we're cooking the crepes and they look ready to flip. Like my dad taught me. A perfect flip, like I do.
okay, count maybe 5 in your head. 5
What?
seconds.
2, 3. Hot. I'm just gonna use the spatula. Oh,
Perfect, that's fine.
perfect flip, like it. Now I'm very good at flips. The eyes. This is a cat. The whiskers.